welcome back to my channel. So today we are making corn ribs. All you need is some corns and all the masalas which are easily available at your home. Cut the corns into half and then into quarter. Now take a bowl and add melted butter or ghee, whichever you prefer. Now add half teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, salt to taste, half teaspoon of amchur powder and half teaspoon of chaat masala. Mix up everything really well and brush it on the corns. Now we'll air fry it for 10 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius, or you can also deep fry it. Make sure your air fryer is already preheated. I have preheated my air fryer for 3 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. And ta-da! Your corn ribs are ready for you to eat. Just sprinkle some lemon juice and mint leaves on the top and you're good to go. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, please do like, comment, share and subscribe.